fine and doing great. I'm also good, and I just came back from my university. It was a tiring day, and yeah, there's a raining. It is raining today, and the weather is pleasant, and I'm enjoying with a cup of tea. I don't know what are you doing. If you want to tell me, you can leave your leave your information in the comment box. So today what we are going to cover is the business insurance basics, and before it we were covering about the homeowners insurance policy, and today it's a next topic in this book, and it is about the business insurance, what the business insurance is, and how it works, how it will pay you back. All these things will be covered in this video. So let's start this video, and before starting, I'll repeat the same thing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I upload the new video. So let's start. First is the property insurance. In business insurance, the first one is the property insurance, and property insurance compensate a business if the property is used in the business is lost or damaged as a result of various types of common perils such as fire or theft. Property insurance covers not just a building or a structure but also the content, including office furnishing or inventory, raw material, machinery, computers and other items vital to the business operations. These are the things which will be covered in this policy, and you will get paid for these things whenever you buy these things from for your business. And next is the depending on the types of policy, property insurance may include coverage from equipment breakdowns, okay, removal of debris after a fire or other destructive events, some types of water damage and other losses. These are the losses that this policy will cover, and you'll compensate the loss due to this policy. Next one is the business interpretation insurance, and in this we will be knowing about the what are the interpretations of this policy, okay, also known as a business income insurance. It's the second name for this insurance, so don't get confused. Business interpretation insurance is a type of a property insurance. A business whose property has sustained a direct physical loss such as a fire damage or a damaged roof due to a tree falling on it in a windstorm, or has to close down completely while the premises are being repaired, may loss out to competitors, okay. A quick resumption of business after a disaster is essential. That is why business interpretation insurance is important. There are typically three types of business insurance. Business can purchase any one or the combination of these. So yeah, these were the all types of insurance that will be covered in this policy, and you will get paid after the loss due to fire or damage, or if a tree falls on your property due to hurricane or any other disaster, you will get paid. So this was all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, or hit the bell icon to get yourself notified. So I'll take permission from you guys, and yeah, remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.